God!
Payback time. Oh yeah.
Yeah!
Oh. Okay. Next one. Let's do head shatter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I remember this. We'll just do this once. I'm not a big fan of this. Oh, I see gun. Let's just keep going forward. It's going really slow. But I guess that was what Midwestern stuff was about. Sorry, man. I'm not a big fan of this. If you want me to do it, I'll do it later. Let's go North Pole Rush. Alright.
Ho, ho!
Come on, stop lagging. Oh yeah, do a flip.
Oh!
Alright, I'm just gonna let you die, Santa. I'm sorry, Santa.
Oh!
Stop lagging. Alright, it's just lagging so much, I'm just gonna do his thing.
Oh!
I'm coming for you. Don't think I'm not coming for you. I'm coming for you. Alright, let's just... That one was a little boring, so... Next one. Let's go Temple Run. Let's see what this one's like. Oh. Oh. This is awesome. For me. Oh my god. Get your hands out of there. You're scaring me. You're just scaring me. Stop. Do it for me. Win. Come on, bring me. Come on, man, bring me in. I'm still alive. Let go. No. Well, that was fine while it lasted. Alright. Let's do that one more time. No, I didn't jump. Okay. Restart. I don't know how to jump over. I don't know how to jump. Oh my gosh. I don't want him messing with me again, so I'm just gonna do a different one. This time I'm gonna beat it. I swear. If it's the last thing I do. Limo 2. Alright, let's do this one. And let's beat this one. Let's do this, but I promised. Okay. Hello, lady. Hello, lady. Hello, lady. Oh. It's the wrong way. Fine. Okay, let's do this. Gonna beat it. Alright. Oh yeah. Better. Scared. messed up again. Alright. Serious this time. Let's do this. It's getting a little annoying. Alright. Jump. Started Gosh, okay, I'm just sorry. I can't see this. I'll beat this one if it's the last thing I do. I just didn't like that one. Okay.
Oh, God! Damn!
What am I doing? Alright.
Oh, God! Damn! Oh, God! Damn! Oh, God!
Alright, I think I'm going to stop it there. Thank you guys for all watching, and stay tuned for more Happy Wheels. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you later. Bye-bye.